Hey guys, I'm going to go over box and whisker plots. This is just going to be somewhat of an introduction. And then later on we will have another video that has a little bit more detail to the box and whisker plot. So just to get started, box and whisker plots can also be known as box plot. Some of you guys might think it might look a little bit like a dot plot that you've done before, but box and whisker displays data using the median, quartiles, and the least and the greatest values of a set of numbers. So quartiles is where it shows 1/4 or 25% of the data. So it's broken, all the data is broken down into fourths basically. So this is just some made up numbers, and I'm going to use this information to create just a basic box and whisker plot. Okay, so I have it written down here, the steps of making a box and whisker. Step number 1 is to order all of our numbers in our data set from least to greatest. So I know I have 11 numbers here. So when I'm through, I need to double check that I have 11 numbers at the top as well. So I have a 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, another 6, 7, and an 8, and another 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's how I know I have every number included from where I started. So step number 2 is to find the median. I know you guys have been working on that so far this week. So the median is the middle of the numbers. So we have, if you go in like this, the median is going to be the 4. Okay, so from here, now we need to start breaking it into quartiles. So this 4 right here is actually our quartile 2. So this is going to be Q2, because we're going to split this section into, we're going to find the median of this section right here and also the median of this section up here. And that's going to give our quartiles 1 and 3. So from 0 to 4, we're going to find the median of those numbers. So in this case, okay, I'm going to switch the color of my pen so I can draw something here real quick. So this is the lower set of the numbers and this is the upper set. So from here, this is where we're going to find the median of the lower set of the numbers. And in this case, it's a 2. I'm just going to put like a little diamond type shape. This is going to be quartile 1. And then over here, the median of this upper set of numbers is a 7. So that's quartile 3. Okay, so we found quartiles 1, 2, and 3. I've just abbreviated with it Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay, so we have this little chart here to fill in, and this is going to help us create our box and whisker. So the least value of the entire number set is 0. And the greatest value is 8. The median we have as 4, the median of the whole thing. And then the first quartile is here, is 2. And then the third quartile is 7. Okay, so once you have this information, this is really what you need to create the actual box and the whiskers to our graph. So step 4 is plot on a number line. So I'm going to draw one. And since my numbers go from 0 to 8, we only need 0 through 8. But it needs to be a true number line, so you should not be skipping any numbers in between. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to switch my pen again. All right, so we're going to plot, we're just going to put dots above these values on our number line. So for 0, I'm going to put a dot up here. For greatest value, I'm going to put a dot above the 8. The median is a 4. First quartile is a 2. And the third quartile is a 7. Okay, so the outside points are going to be like our whiskers. And from here, we're going to make this into a box. And where your median is, we're going to put a line down the middle. So that way you know that this is the least value, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and quartile 4. And that's it. This is our basic box and whisker plot. Okay, so now what I need you to do is go on to the next step on Google Classroom, and you're going to create your own box and whisker plot. All right, thanks.